Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to avoid fake sellers on Amazon. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're surfing through your Amazon and if you want to avoid your fake sellers, always check that products are sold by and shipped by Amazon, or at least fulfilled by Amazon, rather than a third-party merchant. So you need to verify your seller's reputation, avoid suspiciously low prices, check for proper English in product descriptions, and look for sold by brand name to ensure authenticity. So you need to simply follow these simple rules and regulations to avoid fake sellers on Amazon. While shopping, be wary of new unknown brand names, prices that seem too good to be true, poor quality photos, and stick to purchase from official brand, storefronts, or Amazon's own curated collections. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.